Residential Hostel Cum Coaching Center, Ratio in Proportion Part 2. Ama sabihin, mania question number 8 ka kan khoi man lova. To me question number 8 na mi ka kan khoi don ani. Question number 8 na kan in love n kan part 1 kan. Rupees 950 is divided among A, B and C in such a way that their shares may be the ratio of 1/2 1/4 1/5 ani. Ching sa kwa so nga ka A, B le C ka 1/2 1/4 1/5 ratio in hemi things of what so nga hi along sem don ti hian chuan A share to exactly ani ti hi zong ro ti hian hetianga fraction a sharing basis an lo pek chuan kan shit to fraction lovin kan da phot tum tur ani chumi atan chuan helai mi atangin LCM kha in zong phodan 2 le 4 le 5 atangin 2 le 4 le 5 LCM 2 4 ania 2 kan 2 or 4 ania ani bang 4 le 5 ipun tir chu exactly kha 20 kha LCM tina ani hemi 2 4 5 LCM kha 20 le 20 kha 2 ai sem chuan exactly kha 10 ani chuan 20 kha 4 ai sem chuan 4 5 or 20 ania 20 kha 5 ai sem chuan engeni kha 4 ani hei hi an sharing basis ani chuan tuna A share ilo zon don chuan A share is equal to hemi 10 kha izon tum kha achung lama uma divided by hemi zakua songa kan ti hi an pathuma in sem tur ani ba chuan helai 10 le 5 le 4 kha ibel khom 19 kha anwai ida ang total kha into 950 19 munna then how much is that here 500 A share to monthly kan cheng sanga ani ma se alo zo hi annually te lo mi the ani A share to pin alo zo bang chuan A share bi rupees 500 ani emo hete ko indi the A B C mu to 10 5 4 to engeni kan 19 kan ti he zapua songa ani or ani chon pakhat mun khat kan ti chuan 950 divided by 19 that is 50 dina ani mun som ani kan chon ani chon 10 place kan ti chon 50 into 10 to engeni kha 500 hey hi in answer ani chuan question number 1 akan lu tanga hemi question number 1 akan acting e alo sai kan ti chuan cheng sang ni le zarian le cheng riat kha A B C alo in sem dan tu kai ding sai 2 times A share atia 2 times A share is equal to 4 times B share 4 times B share atia which is equal to ati chuan hemi B alo soina ani B is equal to which is equal to 3 times C share 3C ina ani ani chon part 1 kan lo sira khan hetiam form alo om chon engting kan tiang kan ti chuan A is to B is to C kan tianga LCM kan la ang 2 le 4 le 3 atanga LCM to 12 ani 12 divided by 2 kan ti chuan engeni kha 6 12 divided by 4 to 3 ania 12 divided by 3 to engeni kha 4 ani hey hi on sharing basis ani hemi ratio cheng sang ni le zaria de pariat kha ani sem don dina ani ani chon A share zon tur ani find the share of A ani chon A share kan ti hi 6 ani chubi chori kan zon tum kha at total kha exam e som pathum kan ti chu cheng sang ni zaria de pariat ani ani chon mun khat kan ti chuan engeni kha 2808 by 13 dinani ani le mun ruk kan zon don chuan 2808 by 13 into exam e kha padu helai tronga in mu chua kha it will be the answer ani ani chon 13 mun ni kan ti chuan som ni le padu ani chuan 20 ma 13 1 is 13 ani chuan 7 8 13 6 are 13 mun zani som padu kan ti chuan sang ni zaria le pariat ani 216 le 6 puntir ang 6 ai puntir han enge 6 are 36 6 1 is 69 6 2 are 12 sang khat zani som huale parutina ani hemi chu process anga kal lo point direct in helai hemi step zo khan a share in tianga 6 sidang izon tum kha divided by samni le pare kha an pathuma in sem to ni bang chuan hemi 6 noya tu chu hemi pathumi bel khom 6 plus 3 plus 4 that is 13 kha ane into 2808 hemi te pan hi cancel to 216 ani helai try mu chu 1296 hetiang point in chok theitina ane question number 2 akan du dang question number 2 in lo chia khan the monthly salary of A, B, C to 4 is to 5 is to 7 here. If C monthly salary is 300 less than that of A, if C monthly salary is 300 less than that of A, what is B's annual salary? B's monthly salary as well of annual salary ani. Monthly ta sa chuan helaya x value emo ilo mu chu kha direct in answer niya. Ma se annual ani ba chuan multiplied by 12 ka last pa in thei mi alo tu kha ani. Ani le helai mi points kha entire C monthly salary is 300 less than that of A ka. C salary atanga A salary in low pai khan change athum tina ani. Emo C salary le A salary in thau na hi change athum tina ani. C to A I in zathumi na tamjok tina ani. To be on the helaya khan A B C alo dia A ka 4 ania B ka 5 ania C ka 7 ani. Ani le alo soi chu C le A that is 7 le 4 in thau na kha exam ni kha pathum to be to change zathum tina ani. Ani jan mun khat kan ti chuan engeni ang change a ani. That is 300 divided by 3 to 100 ani. Ani le enge kan job tu B annual salary ani. To be my in B salary ka tam song phatang mun nga kan ti chuan enge 100 into 5 to 500 ani. Ani jan kum khatami tu ni bang chuan into 12 kan ti chuan sang rutina ani. Hey hi shortcut ami kan ti don nge a process a toy thiam bera kan lo chok na kha ani. Voi khat soi le am ABC and Lopea a ratio ha salary ratio ha 4 is to 5 is to 7 at here. So next sentence in log n khan if C salary monthly salary is 300 less than that of A, that is C salary minus A salary is equal to 300 tina ane. Ani chuan C salary is 7 minus A salary that is 4 by parts anga iloka khan 7 minus 4 ka 3 ani. Pathum kan ti change athum tina ani. Ani jan pakhat kan ti chuan mun khat kan ti chuan 300 divided by 3 that is 100 rupees ani. Ani le B khat an jot tu kan ti ba chuan B khat mun nga ni ba chuan 100 into 5 is 500 ani. Ani le kum khat ami tu ni ba chuan into 12. Then how much you get here? Rupees 6,000. So here second answer is rupees 6,000 tina ani. Question number 3 the ratio of the radius of a circle is 2 is to 5 at the ratio of the area somru ti hi ani. Hela kan 2-dimensional figure chuan kan thriat tu chu a side an lo pe area somru wan lo ti chuan direct in answer tu chu a area to engelian area kan ti just square ani. Ani ba chun 2 square is to 5 square. That is how much? 4 is to 25. So your answer will be 4 is to 25 tina ani. And then area of a circle ka a ratio radius pani te hi 4 is to 7 ani ta se a area to enge 4 square is to 7 square that is 16 is to 49. Hey in answer ngal mai don ani. Next question number 4 kan do le anga. Question number 4 kan enge ani kan ti chuan ratio between two numbers is 3 is to 4. If each number is increased by 2, the ratio becomes 7 is to 9. Find a number. If the numerator and denominator is increased by 2, tina ani. I said helaya ratio ati he record ratio ka 3x by 4x lo nita se to be increased by 2 ve ani chun plus 2 tina ani. Chuan a ratio athar lo chu enge kan ti chuan 7 by 9 ani. Hey hi shortcut method ai a toizo timayang chinchia all sum zo book ade. Ade so 9 3 are 27. 27x plus 9 2 are 18 is equal to 4 7 are 28x plus 7 2 are 40. Hey hi lian zo ni gaujin hey side a kal tir chuan somni parian le somni pasari in thau na chu 1x ade equal to plus 14 when come to this side become minus, so you get here 1x equal to 4 or x is equal to 4 in mo ade. Ade find the numbers ade report number to entenge niang kan numbers to 3x le 4x ade. Ade 3 into engeni ha 4. Hey 4 into 4 ade 12 le 16 dina ade. So your answer will be 12 and 16 dina ade. Hela ya po kan option atang the point in n thai ade. Option changa in n du chuan hei hi ade. 12 ka in da nga chuan 16 in da ang chumi a chuan 2 a increase ve ve di wang chuan plus 2 again mu khai lai kan 14 by 18 ani chuan ratio simplest form this form de thiam ve da tu ni 7 2 ni cancel dia 2 9 and 18 ani me hela result lo mu kha hela 7 le 9 le khat ai nangem inam ani chuan 12 le 16 ka inam sir ani hey en le lok tai 18 ania pakhat 24 ani b na kha dik le dik lo kha en don tai na plus 2 ve ve lo bel chuan som ni ania hei chunglam anoi lam ni som ni par ko ani ani chuan te theng ber lo da chuan 10 by 13 ani 7 by 9 mu lo fa ni chubang chuan help me 18 le 20 ni case akan adik lo na ni direct method option base akan lo en boy hin ai chuan last question akan lo da nga hemi last question ami kha in n khan sum of two number is 60 and the difference is 60 hi ani hela khan number pani bel khoma khan shortcut method in apply bu chuan hei hi ani 60 achung lama khan hela mi a difference le khan i belang sum le difference hai belang anuai lama khan i payang hela kanai bu chu 66 by 54 ani ani chon hei hi engeni kha 11 by 6 ani just 11 are 66 6 9 11 by 9 ka a ratio ani so this will be the answer a ratio zone in